with the softness in the night. I wish was your command until you run out of love. You tell myself I'm free, get a chance of living just for me. You need to hurry home now that you're gone. Life cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Life cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. When I pretend with a smile to fool my dearest friends, I wonder if they know it's just a joke. I'm on the stage day and night. I go to my charades, but how can I disguise what's in my eyes? Life cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Life cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. And oh, I've tried and tried, blocking out the pain I feel inside. The pain is wanting you, wanting you. Life cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Life cuts like a knife. You cut away the heart of my life. And kasalanan ko. Nag-request ba ni Atin si